Alright, fourth time trying to record this video and seeing if it uploads. But basically, when we have an SMT type B followed by an SMT type A, and we're not sure whether to still hold on to that first entry or the off of that SMT type B, or to also set a limit on the SMT type A, we have a rule that we have created. So normal price action would have been, or would be, SMT type B creates an entry, we refine, price comes down, taps into our refinement, creates the SMT type B, A, sorry, creates another entry, price comes down, respects that second point on the SMT type A, and we have two entries. Now, sometimes this second point gets disrespected. Why is that? Well, that happens when we put the SMT type B, we have our 15-minute candle with the imbalance, but we refine. So we set our first entry right there. Price comes down, creates an SMT type A, but we never really filled the imbalance on the 15-minute, which then, after creating that second entry, we can ignore and we can still focus on our entry, on our refined entry. Because then it's very likely that price will use that second point as liquidity to tap into the extreme. Okay, but still respecting the SMT overall, just going and mitigating all the way through. However, when we have this scenario, price action number 1, where we have the SMT type B creates the entry, this is the 15-minute candle with the imbalance, but we refine to the 5-minute, then price comes down, creates an SMT type A, but mitigates the 15-minute imbalance. It doesn't matter if our refine entry has been triggered or not. As long as the imbalance is mitigated, and as long as the new SMT type A is confirmed, we can let go of that first entry and we can focus on the entry of the SMT type A, which would be this. We don't need to cover this low right here, or we don't need to still focus on this one and then let this one go because our refine entry hasn't been triggered. It doesn't matter. As long as the imbalance on the 15-minute is mitigated, that new entry off of that new SMT is valid. So that's how we can know how to act when we have two potential entries. So two potential entries, 15-minute has been already balanced? Yes. So we just focus on the second one. Two potential entries, 15-minute, has it already been balanced? No. So we focus on the first one. That's exactly what happened right here. SMT type B, we put the SMT type B. I set the limit on the 5-minute extreme, but however, the imbalance is right here. Price came down, created the SMT type A, validating it, and showing us that it only wanted to rebalance the 15-minute. It didn't come all the way down to our entry. So now the new entry would have been right here. We let go of this one. We don't need to cover that. This is fine. And as we can see, to the T. Amazing.